The latest ITF report called Greenhouse Gas Emissions Accounting and Reporting for Transport aims to demystify the complex landscape of emissions calculations and reporting for transport. This is often characterized by a plethora of methodologies, standards, and regulations. Now, this report assesses the current state of GHG emissions, or greenhouse gas emissions, accounting and reporting practices in the transport sector, identifies key challenges and barriers, and highlights best practices and existing harmonization efforts for calculating and reporting emissions for transport. As we know, the transport sector is a major contributor of greenhouse gas emissions. The accounting and reporting landscape is rapidly evolving for transport to support global commitments to reducing emissions, such as the Paris Climate Agreement. And now it is often said, we cannot manage what we cannot measure. So if reducing emissions and reaching climate targets is the goal, then calculating and reporting emissions is key to achieving this goal. For that, the transport sector needs two things. One, standardized accounting and reporting frameworks, and second, accurate data collection. And this applies to both service level and corporate transport emissions. In the report, we show that several aligned methodologies, standards, and reporting frameworks already exist for the transport sector. Regulations at the national and supranational levels are also in place or being developed to enforce the disclosure of carbon footprints. One of our key findings is that alignment between these frameworks exists due to the efforts made by all stakeholders. So it is good to see that there is also significant acceptance and uptake worldwide. But further harmonization is possible, and more can be done to make the links between the methodologies, standards, and reporting transparent to users, to strengthen the impact and efficiency of these efforts. So, we have three key messages in the report. First, enhancing alignment and strengthening implementation of existing standards for the transport sector is crucial. These must be prioritized over creating new frameworks. Second, GHG emissions accounting and reporting concerns companies of all sizes, that is, large companies and small and medium enterprises, for the reliable decarbonization of entire value chains. Thirdly, transparent, high quality, and verified data is crucial for GHG emissions accounting and reporting.